Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn on auto sign-in on Plex. If you want to access your media instantly without entering your credential every time, then you can easily turn on auto sign-in on Plex. Launch open your Plex application on your device and log into your account. After you're signed into the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on the Account button. Under Account, enable the button right next to Automatically Sign In. Soon after you do that, you can now get back and then force quit the app. And whenever you open up your Plex application, you'll be automatically signed into your account without having to enter your credentials every time. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable auto sign-in on Plex. You can disable the auto sign-in anytime by revisiting your same account option and then switch off the button right next to automatically sign in if you don't want to turn it on. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.